Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix your save data could not be downloaded for GTA 5 from the Rockstar cloud servers, and let's get straight into the video. So for this error code, all you have to do is open up your file explorer on PC, make your way over to GTA 5 file explorer, and this can be accessed from Documents, Rockstar Games, and then GTA 5. So just go to Documents, Rockstar Games and GTA 5. But anyways, once you're here, all you want to do is you want to simply just delete profiles. You want to go ahead and right click on it and hit delete. Don't worry, this will not do anything harmful. You just want to go ahead and hit delete. Once that's deleted, you can X out. You can go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher, and then you can go ahead and start up GTA 5. This will take a little bit longer to like 1 or 2 minutes longer, but don't worry, it's just a part of the process. You just want to, it basically like resets or makes it sync to your cloud server again. And then you just want to wait for it to launch. See, it's going to say cloud saves, and then just basically like makes them sync your cloud save again. So just hit enable cloud saves, and then once this is done, you will be able to play GTA 5 with no issues whatsoever. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. That is how to fix the error code. Your save data could not be downloaded. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day. And there we go, GTA started as well.